you seen from some of the younger guys?
I'm impressed actually. They're doing really well. They're picking up. They're learning the defense. They understand that they have to play, and they're getting ready for it. And I'm really impressed.
What is it like the offense, just up tempo a little more? What is it like to go against that in practice?
It's tough. It's tough because they're rotating in new receivers, and they like to take shots. So as a defensive back, we're running down all the way down the field, and you have to come back to fresh legs. So it's tough at practice, but it's good. Also good for us as a defense. We're getting in shape, and but I'm impressed by the offense as well.
A year later, how much different are things for you in terms of the speed of the game and how you're approaching this, going into this camp?
Well, things definitely slowed down for me. When I first came in last year, I thought things were fast, and I didn't know if I was going to be able to play. But now, I'm obviously settled in. I'm comfortable. My confidence is high, and I'm just trying to be better.
How does that translate into kind of taking a little bit more of a leadership role as well?
Just like my confidence. I know that I know the plays now. I know what I can do, and I just got to earn their trust. And once I do that, then they'll probably want to listen to me, and that's where my leadership grows.
You're still working on earning trust at this point?
Well, they've seen me play on TV, but they've never been around me in meetings. So that's just a thing for me. That's a kind of inside thing with me. I feel like I have to gain that trust. They might trust me already, but I feel like I need to do a little bit more and to gain that trust.
Out of the younger guys, who's impressing you so far? I know it's really early.
I like them all really. J.C. Jackson, he's doing really well. Quincy, he had the first pick as a DB, so he's really happy about that. But I like them all.
How did Jalen and Duke do with you guys? Just practicing with the veterans.
Jalen, Duke, they're vets in my book. They had a spring under their belt. They understand the defense. They know what's expected. So in my book, they're with me. But they play well. They're still getting it. We got to do better. We got to perfect our craft.
Vern, how much pressure does it put on those 5 freshmen that you had such a successful years as a rookie, and now they hope to replicate that? It kind of puts them on it's a tough spot for them.
Right. These guys, they're a little different. I don't think they look at it like that. They're all their own person. They have their own goals and their own admiration. We don't really talk about that a lot either. We understand. They understand that they have to play early, and it's going to be tough. But they like I said, they're individuals. They all have their own goals, and that's what they're working for.
Is that something that you're helping them stress with? UBU?
Of course. You can't try to play like somebody you're not. That's never going to work.
Last year you said T-Rob challenged you before the first game, said you were going to get beat, you told him you get a pick. Is he still challenging you now, even after the season you had?
Not as much. It's more now I just gotta, it's more of a, I guess we've grown in our relationship, so I guess we kind of grew past that. But now it's just me helping him get the freshmen ready to play.
When you guys butt heads, what do you guys butt heads?
That's John Bullard,
trainer over here. The coach and the player sometimes can be a little antagonistic.
We're only keeping for about 10 minutes.
Me and Coach Robertson, we have a great relationship. We rarely bump heads because we're both always on the same page. We understand what needs to be done. We both want to be perfect. So it's not often where we're bumping heads about ideas, because I feel like the type of player I am, I'm not going to complain about the call. I'm going to do what's asked of me. And that's how things go.
Do you find yourself ever kind of ad-libbing anything in coverage, or you kind of just stick to the script, that kind of player?
I stay to the script. If a play needs to be made, I'm going to do my best to make it, but I'm not going to go out on my own limb and try my own ways, and that's just not the type of player I am.
So you have a trust in what T-Rob and Coach Bishop are really teaching you?
Well, it worked for me last year, so I have no reason not to trust it.
Thanks, Ron.
No problem.